we're living in an area where we have lots of power cuts and they're being increasing. We probably have 20 power cuts a year. So when you have no power, it's actually quite depressing. I thought about solar power, solar panels and a battery. We were looking at 25 to 30,000. It's quite a lot of money. And then I read about solarZero and I just like the idea of not having to pay 30,000 up front. So we're on the north side of the hill. We are surrounded by trees, but luckily the house was designed originally for good sort of passive solar gain. We have a storm and a storm of that kind of scale and we lose power. But straight away the battery system kicked in. We have the kitchen, we have our office hooked up, so we have like Wi-Fi, our fridge works, our lights work, we kind of keep operating. So that was great. Our power was out for 5 days, so we kind of coped through that. And just, like things like keeping your fridge running, keeping your food, stop it from spoiling. When your freezer goes, because we've had that happen a lot, you've just got water and rotten food. It's, not good. And it was actually the first test of the system, because we've had it for maybe 5 months. So it was our first kind of major power outage. And so with the solar running through the day, the battery working at night, we just kind of sailed through it. I use the app just because it's quite easy to use. It's quite sort of easy to see what, that your solar is maybe 50% of your running costs. We're definitely saving money. I think we're saving about $100, $150 a month. And having the battery backup is kind of like, psychologically quite good. I think the fact that you're using way less grid electricity, you're obviously paying less, you're using the power of the sun.